Age 40 hits, and suddenly your body stops forgiving late nights. Here's what nobody tells you. Sleep isn't rest, it's repair. And after 40, that repair window shrinks fast. Sleep scientist Matthew Walker calls the hours before midnight the golden window because your deep sleep, the kind that heals your heart, resets your brain, and balances hormones, peaks in the first few hours after you fall asleep. Miss that window, and your body starts cutting corners. So what happens if you actually sleep at 10 p.m.? Every single night after 40, week 1, your cortisol drops. That constant low-grade stress hum finally quiets down. Week 2, your brain starts clearing out toxins overnight. The same process Walker links to lower dementia risk decades later. By week 4, your body's cellular repair kicks in. Growth hormone releases properly. Muscle recovers, skin regenerates, even your gut microbiome, something researcher Robert Lustig ties directly to how you age, starts stabilizing. By month 3, doctors see it in blood work, lower inflammation, better blood sugar, sharper memory, a slower heartbeat at rest, a sign of real cardiovascular resilience. This isn't a trend. It's biology catching up with what your grandparents already knew. Early to bed, early to rise. After 40, sleep isn't a luxury, it's your body's last honest chance to fix what the day broke down.